Good day guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to grant app-specific camera permissions in Windows 11 security settings. So to navigate to the security settings, just open up your usual overall settings interface, then navigate to your privacy and security, and then under the app permissions, locate the camera. It's going to be, as you can see, the second from the top. Click on it, and as you can see, this is going to be our interface where you can grant specific applications the usage, the allowance to use your camera, right? As you can see, now we have this little toggle. Firstly, it's the most important one. It's going to be a global toggle that will allow the usage of your camera in the first place by any app. So just always make sure that it's on. And then if you wish, you can, as you can see, choose different applications. In here, as you can see, we have a camera app. I have Slack, Xbox. If you don't use camera in these specific apps, you can turn them off. If you do, turn them on. And after you do this, for example, if you log into Slack and try to use the camera, it will be disabled. Slack will be prohibited from using your camera. And for the apps you enable the access for, of course, you can freely use them inside it. So as you can see, for example, I've enabled the usage in my OBS. So if I navigate to OBS and in here I have my video capture device, if I enable it, my camera will work just fine. So enjoy controlling your camera privacy settings, guys. Enjoy the camera itself. If this video helped you out, like and subscribe.